Lagunok ongetorri lastotxapelen kanalera ongetorri Warhammerren Times Vermintide bi honetara eta gaur mapa berri bat frogatzera gatoz, baldin eta errakuntzarik ez badu, kasu honetan Return to the Reich izango ditzateke misio berria eta zeuta batzen dugun hasiko gara partida aventura eta, bueno sin pertsenekin jokatu dugun.
The world drowns in corruption. Your empire is aflame with heresy. The faithful perish, and the wicked multiply. Blessed Sigmar, lend me your strength. Grant me the will to purge the corrupt, to smite the heretic, to bring hope when hope is lost. By the comet and the hammer, I pledge to the coming battle. I vow not to waver and never retreat. To stand tall against the flames of perdition. To drive back the shadow of chaos with your holy light.
Finished praying, have you?
Where is your patience, Master Dwarf? Have I ever let you down? Victory favors the faithful. Let us teach them fear. For Sigmar and the Empire!
Oraindik ez dut ulertzen zati joko honetan zin da jokatu bost pertsonaiekin bideo honetan bostak agertzen badira batera. Gerilean klasikoarekin. A ver.
A fine day, as long as you avert your
Ez
eyes.
erdoko hemen hartzeko. Ez, vale. Orduan. Misioetara. Vale, hemen kanpaina ikusten zuen moduan dena egin daukagu. Hemen ere bai bagoaz mapa guztiak egin ditugula ikus dezazuen eta orduan izango litzateke hau. Eta guatzen jokatzera. Itxarongo dugu jendea behar bada. Hasieratik jokatu nahi badugu. Hasieratik bagoaz asko ere hobeto.
My old dad was never much of a fighter, but his sword, now that was a thing of beauty. I haven't seen it since before Ubersreich, but I'm hearing that the Rockbloods have got their filthy hands on it. I'm not having that. Always had a soft spot for the River Reich. It's the Empire at its best.
Hori beste gauza bat dirudi.
By the pact sword.
Itxasontzi mamu bat
Oh, yeah, there's a
edurlako
Rockblood
zehoz.
war camp down the trail. We can start the search there. Nice one!
You'd test an elf, shield rat. Don't underestimate that warp fire thrower.
I'm still not sure who was steering that boat of ours.
The old mother's magic is forever full of surprises. It's good that she's on our side. Here,
Foul machinery is no match for Imperial steel.
نروح بالغرام.
we've more coming, mayflies. Brave you must, but fight.
I'll block on! Time to shield earned its keep.
Always something in store.
Kill him quicker than that. Yeah. By Sigma, brave monk.
Guilty.
There! Duck the runner!
Backstabber's dead.
It's
No
a nice
bad for a
rain
fella
warp
with one
fire!
eye. Sigma guides my stride, Master Dwarf.
Bajaré y tú desde una horrera.
Or better yet, send me a nice cool flagon of ale.
Vale, voy a hacer más.
Mastering vermin! Kill them all!
Don't worry, Scooty. I'll be back.
Aqua! The beast brings fire!
Guilty.
Have a care!
Slay this backstabber.
Oh!
Magic and gloom in the air.
atzetik esatu bat zaio.
Roar all you like. You're done for.
You hear out, Dory? Never thought we'd get here in one piece. I don't hold with magical boats.
Nor I got excited. Would that there had been another way.
The potion's over here.
Sendatzeko poziorik ez dut topatzen. Eta hori oso mesedegarri alditzaiguke kasu honetan.
Over here! Quickly now! Someone's been hooked again!
Vale, pertsona bat sartu zego partidan. Hori bete asko ez ere
No getting through
hobeagoa
that
da.
without a bit of black powder.
Oh,
Watch out for your mates and we'll get through this! There we go! Couldn't be easier! Plague man! Enough! This will be easy!
pasa man. Azkenean sartzen ari dira edo horrelako zehoz. Edo konexioarekin arazoren bat dago.
Rattling anyway!
After the ruin, I'm all alone. There's a hook rat coming for us. That's no ordinary flame. Look out!
The fire's out! What's happening with my beard from over there?
I do like that little boat of Alicia's. I should get one myself.
Sounds lovely. I do like to be toasty warm when I'm travelling. Not too warm, though.
I think it's this way.
Bueno, jarraituko dugu eurei.
The warrior rats, I'll have it.
Hola, niño azpitik.
Look out, strangler! Shielded! Come on then, we'll have ya!
Ha! Let Adlock lead you flame wizard!
Black one! Bloody black rat! You're a backstabber.
Vale, hortik ez bada beste bidetik. Ah, vale. Eraso berezia galdu dugu.
We'd best follow those torches. Upright.
Vale, va a ser normal.
Warrior rats.
I suppose that's my blood.
Change your wounds. Black rat with shield. Someone's flanking.
Stone vermin.
Potion, anyone?
Kill them all!
Kaua se oot Ladia kanssa keneen?
My skin still itches from Elysia's accursed witcher there.
You'll need. It's not much of a war camp, is it? Should take more than a few swings to settle it. Fight on! For the last! You need your wounds binding to
Strike them down!
Poison rat. Find it. Kill it.
Up, rat!
No sorrow for a dead packmaster.
I know that sound. It's a rattling gun.
Right!
Murderous eyes.
Va a ser Neuzi.
You're barely hanging on one eye. Fine, Jasper. Death is too good for you. Savage!
No, nothing. Down.
Such vileness!
Vile poison! Wherever I go! Slushy braille! I can't breathe! That's what we call a panic bar handshake! Poison ray! Hold up! Stop spraying into the gas! Gas! Fight! Me! Begone, foul heretics! Sigma will... Just like that!
We'll no sign of that sword, but we'll persevere, eh? Eh?
righteousness. Do not fail me now.
There's another war camp on the other bank. Can't hurt to look.
Come, finish me if you dare.
You look half dead, Matilda. Right shield. Oh, but he's a big lad.
Du bizitzek topatu.
Help incoming.
Look at that armored brute. We're blatant dead. I die. Return me to the soil.
I'm surprised you can stand with 'tis unforgivable that the packed sworn have claimed these lands unchallenged.
I'm sure old Paul Brandy's doing his best. And again, you don't hear much about him these days.
Hold on, mayflies. I'm going to drink.
Hold up, I'm feeling a touch out of sorts.
Vamos
This
en
is the
vela.
door.
Ah, vale.
Chaos warrior!
What's a monk?
Well, 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 this is the right door.
Is that potion any use?
A chaos warrior! Its armor shall not hold!
That's right, pure textbook.
What's a monk?
What are we waiting for? Let's get a ball.
I will. Rest up, Gringy. Regather your strength.
I haven't seen this sword in years. As a nipper, I was never even allowed to touch it.
Spare me the familial recollections, Grover. Just as well those cracky can't aim. I'm not sure this boat could take a hit. Raiding ships!
We'll have to sink them.
Ah, vale.
Yeah, mates. Maybe we've scared them off. I think so, no.
Ya esta a usar.
You do know anything about weapons to use, Kruber?
You not gonna watch or pitch in?
A most ungenerous attitude.
Bertan errakainak erabiltzen. Ez dakit
Tide
oso...
will not sweep us away.
You're wounded, peasant.
Ya, bueno.
Oh, so the rat men want to try.
Ah.
Right to hooks! Tell me still.
I meant to do that.
What? You meant to waste the bomb? Oh, absolute genius. Hard to fathom, but I am on your side. Help!
Bleeding. Gods.
In a bad way. You think pain will stop me? Ammunition here. Check your shots.
Mind your aim, Kruber.
Nonsense in the Corellian. Racker was never here. There's ammunition here.
Look out! Whoa!
I've spotted ammunition.
Your foul existence! Your sentence is death! That trickery is no match for us! Yeah! That's all!
Time for a bit of shielding.
Vale.
The port, the starboard. Never mind. Rain.
Vale.
There's a gas racky somewhere close by.
Ahora se vuelve a ser.
This is the place, but what of the sword?
Helm, a grenadier! Stand clear of the clothes! That's getting back!
It feels as though we were only here yesterday, pursuing the Dawn Runner.
Aye, good times in good company. I can't complain.
I have the sword!
It's just as I remember it.
Tastes vile.
With this, I toast victory.
The dead lie sick here.
Stand away! Black fire! Black fire! On its way!
I'm glad Adolf isn't here to see me use these worthless arrows.
Pasa, no vendí.
That's plague monks.
Incoming plague! Awaken pagan judgment, heretical lads!
Look out! Whoa! They're swarming! Be ready!
We should never have touched this.
Pase, man.
Light the beacon. Alicia will do the rest.
I don't imagine we've another choice.
Gasrat needs to die!
Molting could be worse.
Chaos warrior, just what we needed.
Vale.
Have your
Ven, bye.
That's it. Time to Weigh anchor or whatever.
There's little chance of this peace lasting. The rats will return. The rats.
Benetan. Azken zatian, bueno, saiatuko gara berriro, noski.
Funny old night, ain't it?
One of Lona's spies says that my old dad's sword has shown up in a load of rot blood plunder heading up the River Reich. I want it back. And I reckon the rest of this lot owe me enough favours that it ain't too much to ask.
Ah, the River Reich. No finer place to take a walk in the whole Empire.
For once, I agree wholeheartedly.
Better get moving. I hear there's a rot blood war camp down the trail. We can start the search there. Oh, the Recce have shields now. Kill him quicker next time, would ya? Fall back! I smite your heathen soul!
I hear a gas rat. This way! Onwards!
Poison rat's dead. We'll need teamwork to fill that run recovery.
Prowling gun!
Press on there! Always works, that. Get back! Gas! Everywhere! Oh, violence!
God! I can't keep going!
Cheeks war! For that to stop it! This is where we stand!
Shield and rat, take your swings.
You're handy in a tight spot, you know that?
You're a poor assassin, rat man!
Shield will hold firm, I promise you that.
Look at that! That Recce thinks he can use a shield!
Doors defend.
Slay that gunner before it slays me!
Gunner dead!
That's a gas rat! My skin still itches from Alesia's accursed witchery.
Poor little you. And I thought you were hardened to discomfort and witchery.
Somebody's coming!
A ver, beste pertsona bat.
A hook rat! Cruel amongst the cruel kin.
Oh, he won't laugh that off, will he?
Ah, se man.
Oh, this isn't happening.
Vile. You're very spicy with her.
This is a natural talent, darling. Shoot me her.
Always good to have a wizard around, whatever some of us think.
Get her, ladder! Release me, backstabber!
Got to run us down!
Fire that! Fire that! Fire that! Fire that!
Gelditzen azkeneraino.
Plague monks! Slay the rat heretic!
Ongi, ongi.
A healing draught, right here! With this, I toast victory.
I hear something.
Gaslight! Strain out into that poison!
We're swarming. Be ready.
It's going to blow. My lungs burn!
Make it look easy.
It's nothing, Sienna. Bit of training, reflexes.
And a powerful fear of getting another scar, I shouldn't wonder.
Shield rat, wait.
There's a runner in the shadows.
This one. Help.
A Skaven gunner thinks to surprise us. I've drawn the Baron's fire. Kill him!
Gorterón berrero.
Lightstormer!
Numbers against skill again.
Knock that Lightstormer down before his wind kills us all.
Nothing here! An apothecary's wares. Ours. Take it. Shut it!
My old dad would have loved this.
Proud to be Marcus. Never doubt.
Lucky hit!
Is that a rattling gun?
I don't think it's here, darling.
Rattling gun!
Owner loves puzzles. He's welcome to this one.
I've a shot for your rotten heart, Lightstormer!
Open here!
Right, we came for a sword, but only found a match.
Abomination!
There's a second war camp further along the river. We'll try there.
I die.
Returning
Wakey, wakey, my pretties.
Gas rat lad! Stinking gas rat! Die and be gone!
This is the door.
Oh.
Strike them down!
Boat's here. See? This is the perfect plan.
Bleeding. God.
You're a bit bloody, elf. The potion's here.
Let this potion work.
Let me tend these wounds.
They're bombarding us. Ratmen were always sore losers.
Good company.
Use the cannons.
Benetan.
Is it over yet?
Vale, lehen eskabenak.
Martha, hammer! Ratman!
fight at our end now! By Sigmar the Great! Time for a bit of shielding!
Destroy the hoods!
A ver.
Elf, what in Sigmar's name was that? The bomb hit nothing.
A mistake, One Eye. Does it please you?
Odd way to seek approval. Still, she is an elf.
Strike them down!
I meant to do that.
What? You meant to wait too long? Oh, absolute genius! Well, the foul foe of death! Taught them a lesson, eh?
And the riverbank is in sight.
Vale.
Oh,
One last league, and that's the end. I'll store my shield, my heart I'll tend.
It feels as though we were only here yesterday, pursuing the Dawn Runner.
Yeah. I wonder if the wreck's still here.
The climb is young.
I don't see the sword, but that doesn't mean everything.
Is dead.
Aye, good sight. The captain.
Here come more of the wagons! Forward, Northlander! Yes! Come to old Kruber, you lovely!
Southlander, you're next.
No rest for the rakishly handsome, it seems.
Look out! Whoa! Blackfire! On its way!
No fun, Bill. Don't bother trying.
It's not my fault! Clumsy, smelly thing that it is.
You would better be speaking of the bomb, would Helge.
Stand away! Blackfire!
Genio de los artes.
You really should be leaving.
Not bad for a fella with one eye. Sigmar guide my wish he'd guide mine, or better yet, send me a nice full bladder of
Euti.
Vaulting? It could be worse.
Light the beacon! Alicia will do the rest.
I don't imagine we've another choice.
Don't let that lucky charm over here. Come, spoilers. I shall end thee!
Una artillera.
I've lost faith in the Chaos Warriors.
Stand clear! Blackfire!
The weed holds me back.
You could use some aid, Del. Rothel won't bother us now. You learned something from me after all. Blacker was never here.
Blackfire! On its way!
Vale, Euti.
Slay
aboard. Clear the deck. That's it. Time to weigh anchor or whatever.
Retiro egitea. Vale, hemen da suntzitu hor dugula zakizen bat
It
gauza.
seems that the Ratmen have one last surprise. Any thoughts, Clover?
I don't really do plans. I'm more, freeborn.
Hurry up, somebody!
A dory propping up an elgie. Not the first time.
Imbibing a potion.
Do you not hear it screaming? The power is dying.
Just the grapples left, Dory. Don't worry, Pooty. I'll be back.
Vale, guazen.
That's it. Time to leave.